If you are working a normal 9 to 5 job and earning between $10,000 and $100,000 a year, you have probably noticed something incredibly frustrating. The financial advice you find online does not seem to fit your everyday reality. Saving 20% of your income sounds absolutely great on paper, but it is completely unrealistic when your monthly rent already takes up half of your entire paycheck. Today, I am breaking down the exact money rules that actually work depending on whether you make $10,000 to $40,000, $40,000 to $70,000, or $70,000 to $100,000 a year. There is no fluff here, just the exact cash flow strategies that match your precise personal situation. Think about it this way. Telling someone who makes $25,000 a year to stop buying $5 lattes is completely useless. Their primary financial bottleneck is not coffee. Their problem is that their baseline income does not cover the raw cost of basic shelter. But on the other hand, if you make $90,000 a year and you are still living paycheck to paycheck, clipping grocery coupons is not going to save you either. Your problem is likely that huge $800 monthly car payment sitting in your driveway right now. Money is not a one-size-fits-all game. The exact strategy that will save you in one income bracket will completely stall your progress in another. That is why we are opening up the 9 to 5 Chimp Master Ledger today. We are going to look at the three main salary tiers in the modern workforce, see the exact traps waiting for you in each one, and map out the specific moves you need to make to build real savings without quitting your day job. The truth is, most financial media is built for people who already have massive amounts of capital. They tell you to diversify, invest in complex tax shelters, or build multiple side hustles while working 60 hours a week. But if you are balancing a full-time corporate track, your time is highly limited, and your energy is a precious resource. You cannot afford to waste your focus on financial tactics that do not move the needle for your specific income level. By dividing the corporate landscape into distinct, math-backed tiers, we can remove the confusion and give you a precise target to hit before you even think about moving to the next level of wealth. Let us start with Tier 1, the $10,000 to $40,000 bracket. If you are anywhere inside this zone, you already know exactly how stressful it is to manage a budget. Let us look at the real data for the year 26. The federal poverty line for a single person sits at $15,960, and for a family of four, it sits right at $33,000. This means if you are in this tier, you are fighting a daily uphill battle just to keep up with the basic non-negotiable cost of living in almost any city. If you are in this bracket, I want you to hear me clearly. You do not have a spending problem. Mainstream financial gurus love to make you feel guilty for spending money on small things like a streaming subscription or a fast food meal. But the truth is, you cannot budget your way out of a low salary. Let us look at the actual math. If you make $28,000 a year, your gross monthly pay is $2,333. After standard taxes and basic payroll deductions, you are taking home around $1,950 a month. If an average apartment costs $1,200, your housing alone takes up over 60% of your entire active life. By the time you buy basic groceries, pay your utility bills, and put gas in your car to get to work, your monthly margin is completely gone. So, what is the exact strategy here? First, you need to completely ignore advanced investing advice for a moment. Do not worry about picking individual stocks, tracking real estate markets, or maximizing complex retirement accounts yet. Why? Because putting $50 a month into an index fund that grows at a historic average of 9% a year is not going to change your day-to-day life right now. An extra $54 a year of investment growth does not fix a broken monthly budget. Your very first move in Tier 1 is to build a micro-firewall of exactly $1,000 in cash. This cash needs to sit in a separate, highly accessible bank account that is completely detached from your daily spending card. This is not long-term savings for retirement. It is a protective shield. This $1,000 exists purely to keep you away from credit cards when real life happens. If your car breaks down tomorrow and costs $600 to fix, and you do not have this buffer, you will be forced to put that cost on a credit card. Right now, average credit card interest rates are hovering at a brutal 21.5% annual percentage rate. Carrying a balance at that rate creates a high-interest debt trap that can take months or even years to climb out of on a limited income. Once your $1,000 Micro-Firewall is locked in, 100% of your remaining daily energy and extra money needs to go toward one specific goal: increasing your personal value at work. In Tier 1, your highest yielding investment is your own earning power, not the stock market. You are the asset. Look around your specific industry. The modern job market does not reward blind loyalty anymore. It rewards specialized, verifiable skills. You need to look at your current career track and ask yourself a blunt question: what technical certifications, professional licenses, or high-value skills can I learn right now to jump from Tier 1 into Tier 2? Your immediate target is a salary bump of $15,000 to $20,000. Use your evening hours to study for free or low-cost industry credentials. You are actively buying your way out of a low-income trap by upgrading what your labor is worth to your employer. Keep your living costs as steady as possible. Protect your credit score by paying every single bill on time, and focus your entire mind on crossing that $40,000 threshold. Do not allow yourself to get distracted by get-rich-quick schemes or speculative investments that promise high returns overnight. When you are working within this baseline, any loss of capital can be absolutely devastating to your stability. Your path forward is orderly, mechanical, and focused on career leverage. If your current employer does not offer a clear path to cross $40,000 even after you upgrade your skills, you must prepare yourself to switch companies. The highest salary increases often come from strategically changing employers every 2 to 3 years, rather than waiting for a small annual raise. Treat your labor as a business asset and sell it to the highest bidder. Now let us move into Tier 2, the $40,000 to $70,000 zone. This is the official middle-class baseline of the modern workforce, and it is also the single easiest place to get permanently stuck for decades. According to recent data from the Bureau of Labor Statistics, the median weekly earnings for full-time workers sit right around $1,235, which comes out to an annual salary of about $64,220. If you are in this bracket, you have officially escaped the acute survival anxiety of Tier 1. You can pay your rent on time without stressing. You do not worry at the grocery store checkout line. And you finally have real, measurable breathing room at the end of the month. And that exact breathing room is the trap. Tier 2 is where lifestyle creep quietly destroys your entire financial future. The moment a 9-to-5 worker gets a raise from $35,000 to $55,000, they naturally feel a psychological desire to reward themselves for their hard work. They look around the corporate office and notice what their coworkers are driving, what neighborhoods they are living in, and how they spend money on expensive weekend entertainment. Suddenly, a massive, hidden cash flow leak starts. Let us run the real math for someone making $55,000 a year. Your gross monthly salary is $4,583. After income taxes, health insurance premiums, and standard payroll deductions, your actual take-home pay is roughly $3,400 a month. Instead of capturing that extra money to build real wealth, many workers go straight to a local car dealership. Today, the average monthly car payment has climbed past $730 a month. When you add full coverage auto insurance premiums and monthly gas costs, that single vehicle consumes over $1,000 of your active cash flow every single month. Look at what that single decision does to your $3,400 take-home pay. One financed car takes up nearly 30% of your entire liquid income. Add a standard monthly rent payment of $1,500, and you are left with less than $900 for food, utilities, clothing, insurance deductibles, and everything else. Without even realizing it, the Tier 2 earner has systematically recreated the exact same paycheck-to-paycheck stress of Tier 1, even though they make significantly more money on paper. They are stuck on a middle-class hamster wheel, completely dependent on their very next paycheck just to support a lifestyle made of rapidly depreciating items. To win in Tier 2, you have to run a strict financial stabilization playbook. Your main goal here is to build a real cash firewall and kickstart your long-term compounding engine. The first non-negotiable rule of Tier 2 is to upgrade your emergency fund to a full 3 to 6 months of actual living expenses. If your baseline survival costs, meaning your rent, utilities, food, and minimum debt payments, equal $2,800 a month, you need a liquid cash reserve of $10,000 to $15,000. Do not let this cash sit in a standard brick-and-mortar bank account earning a terrible 0.01% interest rate. put it into a secure high-yield savings account, earning a competitive market rate. This fund is your ultimate career peace of mind. If your company downsizes or your position is suddenly eliminated, you have months of financial runway to find a new job without panic or high-interest debt. Once that firewall is built, you must immediately capture your company's 401k or 403b retirement match. If your employer matches up to 4% or 5% of your salary, contribute exactly enough to get that full match. That is an immediate 100% return on your money before the stock market even moves a single inch. Turning down a company match is literally leaving free salary on the tables of your human resources department. Once you have that free match locked down, do not overfund your retirement accounts if you still carry high-interest debt. If you have credit card balances or personal signature loans costing you 15% to 20% in interest, every single extra dollar needs to go toward crushing that debt. Pay the absolute minimums on everything else and throw all your surplus cash at the highest interest loan until it is completely gone. Your ultimate target in Tier 2 is zero high-interest debt, a fully funded emergency fund, and a lifestyle that allows you to save or invest at least 15% of your net income every single month as you prepare to cross over into the elite high-earning bracket. Next, we step into Tier 3, the $70,000 to $100,000 high-earning bracket. If your employment contract places you in this zone, let us be completely real. You are doing incredibly well. You make more than the vast majority of workers, and you have a powerful financial tool in your hands. At an annual salary of $85,000, your gross monthly pay is $7,083. Even after heavy tax withholdings and benefit premiums, your net monthly take-home pay sits right around $4,800 to $5,200. At this level, your problem is no longer survival, and it is no longer basic stability. Your problem is the speed and velocity of your investing. Tier 3 is where real wealth is either built for the long haul or completely wasted on the temporary illusion of luxury. The biggest risk here is what I call the corporate title tax. When you hit an $85,000 or $95,000 salary, society expects you to live a certain way. You are constantly targeted by ads for luxury high-rise apartments, premium leases on European import cars, and expensive weekend travel. If you give in to that social pressure, you pay the corporate title tax. You end up earning $95,000 a year, but finishing every single month with the exact same net savings as a disciplined worker, making half your salary in Tier 1. You are running a high overhead life with zero real profitability. You have built a beautiful golden cage that you cannot afford to leave. The 9-to-5 Chimp blueprint for Tier 3 requires you to step away from consumer culture entirely. You need to treat your high salary the exact way a professional money manager treats a business balance sheet. Your primary goal in Tier 3 is to turn large percentages of your regular income into productive investments that grow automatically in total silence. To do this, you must apply the strict 9-to-5 Chimp allocation rules to your net take-home pay. First, your total housing costs, including your rent, mortgage principal, interest, property taxes, and insurance escrow, must be capped at a maximum of 35% of your net take-home income. If your take-home pay is $5,000 a month, your absolute ceiling for shelter is $1,750. Second, your total automotive footprint must be locked under a strict 10% cap. This means your car payment, auto insurance, and gas combined cannot cross $500 a month. This rule completely eliminates the luxury car trap and forces you to use a reliable, functional vehicle that serves your career without bleeding your budget dry. By enforcing these strict limits, you unlock a massive monthly cash surplus of $1,500 to $2,500. This is your wealth-building army. In Tier 3, you must automate this money the exact same hour your direct deposit hits your account. Do not wait until the end of the month to see what is left over. If money sits idle in your checking account, your spending will naturally expand to consume it. Set up an automatic transfer that routes this surplus straight into low-cost, broad market index funds tracking the total stock market or the S&P 500. Let us look at the real mathematical data on what happens to your net worth if you consistently automate $2,000 a month into low-cost index funds compounding at a historic market average of 9% a year. In exactly 5 years, your investment accounts grow to roughly $150,000. In 10 years, that balance climbs past $380,000. In 20 years, your compounding engine crosses over a massive $1,300,000. Think about the incredible leverage this gives you at your day job. When you have a massive liquid asset base growing quietly in the background, your relationship with your career changes completely. You no longer wear golden handcuffs. You do not have to live in fear of corporate layoffs, bad managers, or sudden economic shifts. You are working completely on your own terms because your automated wealth engine is consistently funding your freedom behind the scenes. You gain the power to say no to toxic work environments because you are no longer dependent on a single company for your survival. No matter which salary tier your career sits on right now, the absolute key to winning this game is removing human emotion from your monthly cash flow. The entire modern economic system is designed to automate your expenses. Your taxes are taken automatically before you see them, your utility bills are autopaid, and your digital subscriptions are billed without you thinking. If you want to build true wealth, you have to fight automation with automation. You need a wealth system that works flawlessly without requiring your daily willpower or mental energy. Every worker across Tier 1, Tier 2, and Tier 3 should track 3 simple numbers: your net margin, which is what is left over, your fixed overhead, which is what it costs to live, and your investment speed, which is how fast your capital moves into investments. Your goal is to systematically lower your living costs relative to your income as your salary moves up through the tiers. When you receive a career raise, a holiday bonus, or a higher paying job offer from a competitor, treat that new money as if it does not exist. Do not upgrade your apartment, do not trade in your vehicle, and do not increase your baseline lifestyle spending. Instead, route 100% of that new salary increase straight into your automated savings and investment channels. By freezing your cost of living while your income grows, you accelerate your wealth building velocity. This concept is called lifestyle suspension, and it is the closest thing to a financial cheat code on a 9-to-5 salary. If you get a $10,000 raise and instantly route that $10,000 into investments, your daily life does not change, but your compounding timeline is shortened by years. You drastically cut down the time it takes to achieve true financial choices and options. Your 9-to-5 job stops being a lifetime sentence and turns into an incubator for your future capital. You are using the stability, consistency, and predictable cash flow of a regular job to fund your permanent freedom. If you look at your day job as a venture capital fund for your personal balance sheet, your daily perspective changes. You are no longer trading your time for survival. You are trading your time to purchase productive assets that will eventually replace your labor entirely. Protect your margin, automate your savings, and let the numbers grow in silence. If you are ready to stop guessing with your finances and start using a clear, mathematical path to building wealth, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe to 9-to-5 Chimp right now. We break down the real numbers and practical cash flow strategies every single week so you can achieve authentic financial independence while keeping your day job perfectly secure. Now, let us open up the Community Master Ledger right here in the comments section. I want to run a real compliance audit across our audience. Drop a comment below right now with 3 quick numbers written clearly. First, your current annual career salary tier, $10,000 to $40,000, $40,000 to $70,000, or $70,000 to $100,000. Second, your actual net monthly take-home pay after taxes. Third, your true monthly savings or investment volume. Are your local housing costs or high-interest debts making it tough to save, or have you already automated your allocation engine to build quiet wealth behind closed doors? Let us analyze the real data and audit the numbers together in the comments below. Once you have posted your breakdown, make sure to click on the next video appearing on your screen right now to keep optimizing your personal financial engine. Protect your cash flow, stay disciplined, and I will see you in the next breakdown.